All right, looks like that rain that we had across the area throughout the afternoon, while beneficial, is unfortunately winding down across our area. So if you didn't get any rain this afternoon, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait a few more days before we see any more. We're keeping a close eye on the weekend forecast, which is actually looking good for some outdoor activities, but we're also keeping a close eye on potentially our first tropical system of the year to develop in the Atlantic here by this weekend. Let's go over to the radar and show you what's going on right now. You can see the rain just kind of rotating around in a counterclockwise fashion across parts of South Florida. You can see that those showers is kind of fizzling out there in coverage. Still a few going on through portions of Collier County, so from Everglades City through Ave Maria and heading up towards areas around Immokalee, up Highway 29, LaBelle, some showers into portions of Hendry and Glades County, Palmdale, Moorhaven, Clewiston, all seeing some light rain. But really, for the most part, the rain appears to be winding down in coverage and intensity. You see the rainfall totals were not terribly impressive. We did get about a quarter of an inch average in most areas. Some spots got a little more, some got a little less. Golden Gate Estate's right now the big winner, if you want to call it that, with 0.3 of an inch of rainfall, but some areas did get up to a half an inch, depending on basically where those little bands of rain set up. Winds are continuing out of the northeast and east at about 10 to 15. They're going to become northerly later on tonight and tomorrow. Then by late tomorrow, become westerly. And that should change the trajectory of some of that smoke that's been occurring with the big fire down in Collier County. And, of course, the moisture and the rainfall did help things a little bit, but we're expecting drier air to filter back in tomorrow. So we're going to keep an eye on the fire danger for the next couple of days, because by no means did this rain that we got today really help the situation. You can see that that area of swirl that you see over the Keys, or at least just south of the Keys over the Straits, that is an area of low pressure, a little trough. That is likely to develop into an area of low pressure by later this weekend. We're expecting a high chance for development out of this to become either subtropical or tropical. The first name on the list is Arthur. It looks disorganized now, so it's got a ways to go before it does become something named. We'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. Right now, it's just at Invest 90L. Computer model forecast tracks take it just east of the southeast coast of Florida and then out into the western Atlantic. It's going to stay east of us, not going to be a problem. Any influence that we were going to get from this thing, we saw it today, and it will gradually lessen here as the night goes on and into tomorrow and Sunday. So predictor showing a few showers across the area lingering overnight. The circulation associated with that area of low pressure will start pulling away from the Florida coast by tomorrow evening. Could see a couple of lingering showers tomorrow afternoon on the backside. Otherwise, dry weather and sunshine expected for your Saturday and Sunday, with high temperatures around 90 here for both days. So again, those specific temperatures here for the weekend, 71 tonight, and then right around 90 here for Saturday and Sunday afternoon, with a slight chance for a shower or two Saturday afternoon and overnight. 60s to around 70 overnight. Highs tomorrow, getting up to around 90 degrees under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Looks like the cooler temperatures up towards Lake Okeechobee, Moorhaven, and Clewiston. A little bit more cloud cover there as you'll be closer to that area of low pressure. Chance for showers overnight, 71. Tomorrow, 90. With a few late-day showers. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. And again, looks like the dry weather sets in here for the weekend, aside from that slight chance for a shower tomorrow afternoon. Dry on Monday, then we'll be looking at potentially a wetter pattern here as we get towards the middle to end of next week. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that, because we desperately could use a lot more rain.
Sure can. Thank you, Derek.